The Once Webshop provides the easiest and fastest way to order the Once lifetime fee. In this tutorial, we'll show how fast and easy it is to register as a new customer and place your order in 3 easy steps within the Once Webshop. To start your order process, go to once.com and open the Once Webshop. The first step is to configure your order. The Once lifetime fee can be used either with the Once IoT Flex SIM or with the Industrial IoT eSIM. The webshop allows you to select the SIM card format and order quantity. For the Once IoT Flex SIM, suitable for the formats 1FF to 4FF, there is no minimum order quantity. The Industrial IoT eSIM is available from an order quantity of 100 cards minimum. Confirm your selection to proceed the order. If you're ordering Once SIM cards for the first time, you have to register for the Once Webshop first. Therefore, fill in the form with your contact information. If you already have a customer account, just log in with your username and password. After you've submitted your personal data, a confirmation will be sent to the email address you filled in. To complete the registration process, verify your email address by clicking on the link below and close the new window to return to your shopping cart. Next, enter your billing address. This also includes your VAT number. If you do not have a valid VAT number, check the box below. We will then issue the VAT separately on the invoice. If your delivery address differs from your billing address, uncheck the box and enter it in the form below. After you've confirmed your billing and delivery address, you can check your order again. Read the terms and conditions as well as the service description. To proceed, confirm the terms and conditions. Since Once is a B2B only service, you may need to confirm that you're ordering as a business customer and not as a private customer. You can select between 2 payment methods, credit card and SEPA transfer. To pay by SEPA transfer, select this option from the drop-down menu and confirm your order. You can find the transfer details on the invoice that will be sent out by email immediately after having finished the order. Please note that we do not support SWIFT transfer. For payments of up to €5,000 gross, you can pay with credit card as well. We accept Visa and MasterCard. By confirming your credit card details, you complete the order. After you've submitted your order, you will receive a confirmation email containing your invoice. With your first order, you will also receive an email to activate your access to the Once customer portal. After setting your personal password, you can check the status of your shipment and download a copy of your invoice at any time. As soon as your payment's been received, your SIM cards will usually be delivered within 2 to 3 business days. You'll be informed about the shipping, including tracking via email. All SIM cards are already pre-activated and ready to use. For more information, please contact your Once customer support team through our contact form.